Good morning, guys. I was just going to give you a quick tour of the garden before I get started canning some green beans and just let you see where we're at right now. Alright guys, just letting you see we've got 16 left of the 18. One of the little Turkins and one of the Rhode Island Reds passed that first about 36 hours. But the rest of them look really good, doing okay. I don't know if it was just being in July and being hotter, they just didn't do as well. But so far, the rest of them look okay. Then we've got the 7. Move, Wheels. We've got the 7 that I've hatched out for a friend. They're doing good, lively. Won't be, probably this week maybe I'll move them out when I'm off for my longer stretch. And I'll get them outside. These little chickies are just growing away. I need to get them some fresh water and feed and move them. Alright, my sweet potato plants have finally recovered from the chickens getting hold to them. And these little tomatoes are finally starting to grow. And I got to get this rosemary planted. Flower stands growing. Herbs are good. I need to cut some of those back and get them dried. And just let you see the overall of my beds and the chicken coop and the need to get some water in these pot ones, especially where it hadn't rained in the last couple days. They had all that rain in it, wanted to stop. My squash are getting ready to kind of dwindle out on me. I had to pull one of them. It had the borer in it. Got a cucumber starting up my trellis. My peas did come up, but you know, it's got hot on them, so they're not going to do really well. Tomatoes are growing. Got tomatoes coming on. More blossoms starting. But my aromas are not doing good at all. All of them. I don't know. I think they've got the fungal, that black spot on some of them. I've tried to cut them off. I need to do some more pruning, and I've ordered me a solution to put on them. It should be here by Monday. And then I want you to see my red noodle beans are going up the trellis, but this is what they look like. Their textures, they're kind of flimsy texture. This is about the size you want to pick them. They're good in stir fries. But they're just really pretty when they grow up on the trellis and coming in. And then I've got my purple pole beans. I need to pick some of those. These are just growing up here to just eat on. They're getting on up in size. This bed is where I had my rat problem, so I just need to weed all that out and get it restarted. I'm gonna let the other chickens out while we're strolling through. I should say chickens and guineas. Come on. And then our ground cherries, finally, I need to come out here and pick them up. I've got a bunch in the little dry shells on the ground. Let me see if I can get a good one. Show you what they look like if you've never seen them before. Oops. When they get really, really golden, they're really good. This one's probably going to be the most flavorful. They're kind of sweet and twangy. I like them. Now you can find them wild sometimes, but these, if you ever plant one plant, you're going to have them coming back all the time. There's the other tomatoes. A few more down there. I need to get them staked up a little more. The weeds with all this rains took over. That tomatoes fell over. I need to work on it. My watermelon, I don't know if it'll make anything or not before fall. They're kind of, that and the cantaloupe's running a little behind, but we'll see. Fingers crossed. My sunflower about fell, guys. Got my foot caught in a wire. This is my 8-ball zucchini. I pulled one off of it last night. I'll let that one grow about another day. And this is my lemon zucchini, but so far it hasn't had any on it. Hopefully it's getting started, so we'll see. Lavender's still holding. Looks better than it did a couple weeks ago. I don't know what happened to it there for a while. These are my mushroom logs. Right now there's nothing. I'm hoping since we had all this rain and it's starting to get hot again, we'll have something come up hopefully. We'll see. We'll keep a check on them. That top one's starting to get where you can see the seeds. And these are my brandywines. They're up, some of them as tall as me and over my head. And I'm 5'8½", so there's the other ones. Like I said, these I need to water. So I'm gonna do that here, and then I'm gonna get in the house and start on canning some beans. I'll keep you updated next time. Thanks for watching, guys.